Rachel Makes again with another vlog, and this one is about fabric. Now I am trying to get rid of fabric. Yes, I have been depleting my stocks. I'm making things, I'm selling some fabric, but I came across some fabric. I know some of you still like to buy fabric, and I do still like to buy. It's not stopping me from buying fabric, but it's making me think about what I want to make with it. But I thought you might just like to see some bargains that I got, because you will be able to find these similar type of bargains when you are if you're looking for some fabric. I'm looking for fabric to make dresses. I love making dresses, and I like making jumpers, let's say. But I've got a lot of fabric that's for other things, or I did have a lot of fabric. You know, I bought that canvas, quite a bit of canvas, and so I'm making things out of that, and I'll talk to you about that in another vlog. But I have been buying some fabric, and the fabric that I bought has been ridiculously cheap, and it has come through Vinted. And the first one I can show you is this pink. It's a pink jersey. It's a stretch type of jersey. It's it's pink on the inside. That's the inside. It's a pink jersey, pink and black. And let me tell you how much I've got. I can't remember how much I've got. Let me have a look and see. 2 meters of fabric that I got, and I got it for £4. 2 meters for £4, and this is the fabric. And I can see a lovely jumper in the summer to wear in the summer. I just thought it was a lovely pink, a lovely fabric. It's quite thick, and it's as I say, seems a good quality. So I got 2 meters for £4, and I just thought that would be great to have. And I've just received another one this morning, and this one was 3 meters 20 by 145, and I got it for £2. And this is what's come through the door. This is obviously somebody who's destashing. And I couldn't believe it. It's like a linen. I don't know if you can see. It's like a linen. And 3 meters 20 of it, so I can see a nice linen dress. And probably might have some spare, but I'll find some use for it. It's gorgeous. Look, I'll stand back. I'll stand back so you can see what it's like. That's it, 3 meters 20 for £2. You have to pay protection, so it was £2.80. And then you pay for your postage. But even then, 3 meters 20 of that it's a giveaway. Obviously somebody's decluttered, but I can make a lovely dress out of that. Then I got another one, and this lady is still sewing, but she was decluttering. And I had a lovely conversation with her about it. She said I hope her fabric wasn't cheap, but it was lovely fabric. And this one I got on, I think it was on eBay that I won it. Yes, it was on eBay. And the fabric that I got from her, it was from Dashwood Studios. It was Dashwood Studios fabric, 3 meters, and I got it for £19.32. And when it came, I haven't even taken it out of the packet yet. She'd sent it in a lovely voile bag, and she'd even sent some thread. She'd sent some thread, especially for to sew. And so I thought that was lovely. It's a pink thread, and obviously it's a blackish fabric, but wrapped in tissue paper. So let me pull this out to let you see this lovely fabric. And this one was a black colour. It's this. It's black with swans and flamingos, or not swans. Oh, yes, they are swans. Flamingos. Oh, where am I? There you go. So I can see a nice, I was thinking of a shirt. I think it might make a nice shirt or a nice dress. There's plenty of fabric there, so I can make something out of it. So I was really pleased with that as well. These are things that I'm looking forward to making. Then I often use a website called, I use 2 websites that I like, Pound Fabrics and Pound a Meter Fabrics. And this is, I bought some fabrics recently from Pound a Meter, and I don't know, it just never ceases to amaze me. I don't know how they make any money. I said that to his lordship. I said, I don't know how these people make money, because I got them for £5 or something. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the website first. This is Pound a Meter website, and I'll just scroll you through and I'll show you the ones that I've bought. This Pound a Meter is, the reason why I like it is because they have special offers every now and again, and they offer what is good quality fabric for a much cheaper price. So if I scroll down a little bit, you will see they do fat quarters, they do other fabrics, but let me take you to some cottons. And these ones here, 5 meters of premium quality, 100% quality cotton, 36-inch wide, 5 meters, normally £25 for £10. That is such a bargain. Here we have 3 meters of bold floral dress rayon, 45-inch wide for £18, reduced to £10. And as I scroll down, there are other good bargains, other nice fabrics. 3 meters of retro dress rayon, 45 inches wide with various colours. Another nice choice. And as we continue scrolling, we come to some jerseys and some chiffons. Go on to the next page, and there are satins and jerseys. And this is the section that I look at. I tend to look at the jerseys. I quite like some of the jerseys. And it's from this section that my next batch of fabric was purchased. This is the fabric that I bought. This is the pink fabric. And I can see, this is lovely. It's looking very, oh no, it's not so bad there. It's a lovely washed pinky colour. Pink and purple and blues, and I can see a lovely drapey dress with this. This is a polyester one, and it's white on the other side, very thin, so you need to wear a petticoat underneath, but I can visualize a lovely drapey dress with that. So that's that one. I got, I think it was 3 meters. They give you 3 meters for £5, around about £5. And the next one was this one. I thought this was a nice colour. It was a pink. This is a slightly thicker fabric. There you go, pink. Like a washy, it's like a pink lace effect, but it's actually a jersey fabric. And it's the, it's got like a pattern texture on the surface. It's not smooth on the surface, let's say. The back is smooth, but this has a little bit of a rough texture to it. But again, lovely. It would make a nice dress, that. So basically more of the same kind of dresses I usually make, because they're quick to make and they are, a lot of people like that style. Third one here is this. It's a very similar. It's an orange colour, the lacy effect, but this is a smoother fabric. This is a nice smooth jersey, and it's not cotton jersey, it's polyester jersey. And there you see, that's the inside part. It's orange. You could use that as a contrast. And there you go. I'll open that out to let you see. This is the orange. And again, I can see that looking lovely as a dress. A drapey dress. I'm thinking of a full skirt. Basically the styles that I often do. I'll put a picture up there to let you see. A full skirt and a nice bodice of some sort. Now then, there's some more, so hang on. You'll know that I'm into oranges at the moment. So this is an orange one that I got. Same sort of thing. Nice orange fabric with like a watery effect. What is it, water or waves or something? A nice orange fabric, and I thought that would the same thing. It's a very fine jersey, same kind of thing, fine jersey, and 3 meters for £5. So, you know, I'm going to be able to make a dress not including my labour, of course, and my electricity, but I'm going to make a dress for under about £7. So that's that one. And this one is again a cheap one, but it's going to make a lovely dress. And that is there. The colour's looking better there. It's a darker purple. I think that will look lovely when it's made up as a dress. So I'm very pleased with that one as well. So if your stash isn't overwhelming and you have got something you can use it for, then those are great fabrics there. They're not bad for price, and you can produce something really nice. The thing I like about jerseys, you can quickly run something up. With cottons, you've got to add there's a little bit more to creating things. So I like that for speed, and I like the drape on that. I also like the cottons as well. So I'm looking forward to making things with these fabrics that I've got. And as I say, I'm gradually getting less and less of my other stuff. So this is this year's creations that I'm going to be doing. So there you go. That is my fabric haul, and a little suggestion if you're looking for fabric. But do be aware that the more you stash on those shelves, that you're never going to use them. You've got to have something that you want to make with it, and you've got to want to make things. I love sewing. The one thing that I did tell this lady who I bought this fabric from, I will make something from it because I love sewing. I'd rather make something and either sell it or donate it to someone than just well, I just like sewing. And what I've been doing is I've been making things and selling them on Vinted, and because I've been making things and people have bought them and they like them, they've added me as a favourite to see what else I've got and whatever else I'm selling. For me, I'm creating something that somebody wants and they're going to use. So as I say, I'm gradually working my way through this de-stash stuff, and watch this space for what I'm going to create. I have got some new fabrics. I know what I'm going to do with them. I know exactly what I'm going to do with them, and I have also got plans to use whatever I've got left in my excess stash that I had. So there you go. I'm going to love you. I'm going to leave you. I'll catch you next time. Bye.